Are you looking for the best coconut openers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best coconut openers that are available on the market.
I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Number 5. WAROIS Coconut Opener Tool Set. The durable materials of this coconut opener will make sure there will be long-lasting use. This is in a versatile design and lets you make the maximum out of it. Moreover, it is in a unique design that lets you separate the coconut meat from the shell. Additionally, the product is also safe to use, making it ideal for people of all ages. It lets you have easy maintenance due to the dishwasher-safe design. This includes a high-quality mallet that has a rubber head and a strong handle. Furthermore, you can have maximum convenience, and it is highly compact. Number 4. WAROIS Coconut Opener Tool Set. Providing you with multiple options, this one comes in a complete set. The coconut opener makes sure there will be easy and safe coconut meat removal. Additionally, it is composed of high-quality materials and is in a new design. This is exceptionally durable and features a high-quality rubber head along with a strong handle. The unique design of the coconut opener will let you have better control. Moreover, it offers a solid grip and will fit perfectly in your hands. Furthermore, it is suitable for people of all ages as it comes in a reliable design. Number 3. Jihunk Coconut Opener Set. This one is in a set of 3 pieces and lets you use it according to your requirements. It is composed of high-quality stainless steel, making it a highly reliable product. Moreover, the coconut opener eliminates any kind of frustration when you remove coconut meat from the shell. It lets you have an effortless operation, and it is available in an economics design. Additionally, this gives you the advantage to use it for different tea purposes so that you can enjoy their entire coconut. Furthermore, it comes in a special design, making it suitable for people of all ages. Number 2. MEANT2TOBE Coconut Opener. Using this coconut opener will let you have maximum convenience. This is available in a set of 11 pieces including a carry bag. With this, there will be value for money as it lets you use it for different purposes. Additionally, the product is composed of premium quality materials and lets you use it for a long time. Moreover, you will also find stainless steel drinking straw that is in a reusable design. Furthermore, it is composed of safe materials and does not rust. You can easily use it at home or for commercial purposes and have a better advantage. Number 1. KINGLEV Coconut Opener. To make sure there will be a safe operation, this one has eco-friendly construction. The coconut opener will let you use it easily and have a delicious taste of coconut. Moreover, this is non-toxic and is extremely durable. It is composed of food-grade stainless steel and is resistant to rust. Additionally, it comes with a non-slip handle so that you can have better comfort. The product has a lightweight construction so that there will be easy storage and portability. Furthermore, this includes a mallet along with a hole puncher that lets you use it according to your requirements.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.